How do I approve manufacturing orders, purchase orders, or distribution orders? By approve, I mean exporting to the ERP for execution. So this process is the same for the POs, DOs, and MOs. So let's take the POs as an example. If I go to the purchase order screen, you'll see there that I have some records in confirmed status and some records in proposed status. Confirmed status means that it's already in the ERP, so I'm not interested in these ones. So I'm going to filter for the proposed purchase orders. And here, make sure that you're sorting using the ordering date so that the first ones to be ordered are at the top of the list. And depending on your approval cycle, whether you're approving on a weekly basis, on a daily basis, or a monthly basis, then you're going to select how far you want to go in the horizon. So let's say I want to only select today's purchase orders, the one that needs to be orders today. And here I can also have a look at the inventory status. So the color of the inventory status telling me whether this needs to be expedited or this is like a regular replenishment. So expedited means it's in red, or regular replenishment it's in green. In this case, I will export these records to my ERP. In this example, the ERP is Odoo, but frePPLe is most of the time connected to an ERP. So if your ERP is not Odoo, you're going to have the name of your ERP here. I'm going to export the record. So I'm confirming. Okay, export is successful. As you can see, the status now is approved, meaning that they have been sent to the ERP.